The top electric screwdrivers for 2023. Bolt, fasten, done. With tons of products out there, picking the perfect one can get tricky. But no worries, we've handpicked the 6 absolute best for you. Check out the product descriptions for all the juicy details and the latest pricing. LIFEGOO. Screwdrivers are a staple tool of any repair or DIY enthusiast. We normally use hand screwdrivers for electronic repairs, but recently we've been using a rechargeable mini electric screwdriver, and it's so good it's earned a place in my toolkit. My complaints with using rechargeable electric screwdrivers for electronics are many. They're big and bulky, have too much power, are awkward to use in confined spaces, and usually need some proprietary chargers. This screwdriver is compact and lightweight, so we can use it in confined spaces. The torque is a reasonable 0.25 to 0.35 Nm. That means the screwdriver allows you to manually tighten up to 3 Nm, which is a snug hand tight, good enough to hold the fasteners in place, not tight enough to break anything. It also has 3 buttons, in and out for the screws, and a button to turn on the 360-degree shadow-free LED lighting. The aluminum case features an excellent click-shut mechanism that prevents you from spilling your screwdriver bits everywhere. The bits are held in the trays magnetically, and this does a great job of keeping them organized. This set comes with a bunch of tools used for gadget repairs, such as tweezers, plastic pry bars, suction cups, and more, and they are decent enough quality to carry out repairs. HOTO NEX 01 Pro. The HOTO NEX 01 Pro 3.6-volt screwdriver set is your ultimate companion for all your DIY projects, big or small. This electric screwdriver offers a powerful 3.6-volt motor, capable of tackling various tasks with ease. It comes equipped with 3 torque settings to handle delicate electronics, furniture assembly, or even bike repairs. Say goodbye to manual labor and sore wrists, as this cordless tool effortlessly drives and removes screws. The set includes 12 high-quality S2 steel bits to ensure durability and reliability. You'll find a bit for almost any screw type you encounter, from Phillips to flathead and everything in between. The integrated LED shadowless lamp illuminates your work area, making it easy to work in low-light conditions or tight spaces. The compact and ergonomic design of the HOTO NEX 01 Pro ensures comfortable use, and its lithium battery can be easily recharged. Whether you're assembling a bookcase, fixing your computer, or maintaining your bicycle, this electric screwdriver is your go-to tool. Simplify your life with the HOTO NEX 01 Pro. MAVHTEL. This electric screwdriver handle boasts a meticulously designed anti-slip pattern, offering users a comfortable and secure grip. This comprehensive electric screwdriver set includes an impressive array of 42 attachments, capable of meeting diverse needs in various settings, whether at home or in an office environment. Notably, the electric screwdriver is thoughtfully equipped with LED lighting, a feature that significantly enhances the user's ability to locate screw holes in low-light conditions, thus contributing to improved work efficiency. Furthermore, this electric screwdriver features a 2-speed adjustment function, allowing users to choose the appropriate speed based on the material and size of the screw, ultimately enhancing work efficiency. The built-in 320 mAh battery ensures a continuous working time of 1 hour after a full charge, with an exceptional standby time of 60 days, thereby reducing the need for frequent recharging. SHENHAOXU. Introducing the SHENHAOXU 3.6-volt cordless electric screwdriver, your trusted companion for a wide range of home projects. This compact portable screwdriver packs a powerful punch with its 3.6-volt motor, making it perfect for all your DIY needs. Whether you're assembling furniture, installing shelves, or tackling a quick fix, this electronic screwdriver has you covered. The versatile design allows you to effortlessly switch between automatic and manual modes, offering precise control over your tasks. The integrated LED light ensures you have a well-lit work area, even in dimly lit spaces or tight corners. Never worry about running out of power, as the rechargeable lithium battery is conveniently charged via the included USB cable, making it environmentally friendly and budget-conscious. The stylish red finish adds a touch of flair to your toolkit. SHENHAOXU's cordless electric screwdriver is your go-to gadget for convenient and efficient home improvements, making your life easier one project at a time. CRAFTSMAN CMHT 66718 B20. A lot of the electric screwdrivers we've seen have had pretty pitiful battery life that left us spending more time charging than working. But not with this Craftsman screwdriver. This device can drive more than 300 screws on a single charge, ensuring you have plenty of power to finish a project. Unlike other tools that operate with a button or by pressure, this one is controlled with the movement of your wrist. Begin to twist your wrist, and the screwdriver will begin spinning in that direction. It's a really novel concept, but it isn't completely stable in execution. It can be a bit finicky, making it quite difficult to control. Though it's operated by the motion of your wrist, you still have to hold the switch to make it operate. This just seems like an extra unnecessary step. We'd prefer if it worked from just the switch or just motion sensing, rather than making you do both. AVID power. Let's dive into the world of versatility with this electric screwdriver. It's got a dual position handle, which means you can switch from a straight to pistol grip, perfect for those tight and hard to reach spots. And check this out, it has a forward and reverse switch, so you can change the screw direction with ease, whether you're driving or removing it. But what's really cool is how compact and lightweight it is. You can operate it with just one hand, and it's super easy to control and grip. Oh, and there's more. It comes with a bright front LED light, so you'll never struggle with dark spaces again. And the built-in 1300 mAh lithium-ion battery is a real workhorse, providing long-lasting power. And the best part? You can charge it anywhere with the included USB cable. But the awesomeness doesn't stop there. You get a whopping 44 accessories with this set. I'm talking about the cordless screwdriver, a carrying case, a charging cable, 8 sockets, a screw bit holder, a socket holder, 28 1-inch screwdriver bits, and 6 HSS drill bits. And when it comes to performance, this cordless screwdriver doesn't mess around. With its powerful motor, it can deliver up to 50 in-pounds max torque and reach a no-load speed of 200 RPM. You can handle all your fastening and light drilling tasks on wood with ease. But keep in mind, it's not for hard materials like stone. And to make your life easier, it's equipped with a 1/4 inch metal chuck for smooth accessory changes. Now that's a complete package.
Thanks for watching. If you liked what you saw, then hit the like button and subscribe to our channel if you loved it. Take a moment to hit the bell icon so you'll get notified of all our new latest uploads.